every pair of shoes that I get is kind of like a style investment. You find the style and the color and the fit that you like. And so when I get them, I always like keeping them clean because, I just want to keep them as bright and wonderful as possible. So I sometimes clean them, but I never have had a dedicated shoe cleaner per se. I've had like brighteners, but recently I came across this one that is a foam cleaner, and it seemed really cool because, well, it came out as a foam. It looked really nice and great for keeping shoes white and bright, and although that can also do black and color too, it seems like. And I really liked it because, it's like a really nice way that seems gentle on your shoes with being a foam and also pretty effective. And so inside the box, you get this bottle, very nice and pretty big, I'd say. And this is like where you can pump on the foam and, let it do its thing. And so I have this pair of platform shoes that I love that, I wear, I run, I dance, go to the beach, everything. Sometimes they get a little scuffed on the bottom. So I'm going to see how it goes with these. And spray on the foam, which is pretty awesome and pretty fun. I'm going to use a toothbrush here. I guess you could use any kind of brush just to get into the finer points and just kind of let this sit for a few minutes and then brush it off and see how it goes. And drum roll, here are the shoes in a side-by-side view. You can see the different sides all the way around. It did a really nice job of getting all the dirt and wear off. There were some spots that you just came off right away. Others you just needed to layer on some extra foam and kind of give it some time. But overall, it came off really nicely and I'm liking it. The foam also smells really good too. It kind of has like a very bright, almost like a new car smell, but new shoe smell. This is a really cool way to touch up your sneakers on the go, and I'd be curious to try it out with a couple other pairs, even some boots, and see about that. And yeah, this is really great to have in your back pocket.